been watching the electrician replace the power at the pole in the campsite next to me. Watched the motorhome pull in yesterday and they couldn't keep the power going. It kept shutting off on them. So luckily they did have a surge protector like the one I'm about to show you. This is the VIP2 RV surge protector. Thank you to VIP2 for sending it to me. I'm gonna take it outside, plug it in. We're gonna try it out on my RV. You wanna make sure that the power is turned off. And so yes, the breaker is turned off. Plug this in first and we're gonna watch as we turn it on. Wait until it tells us we're ready to go. All right, so it looks good. Now I'm gonna turn it back off. And we're gonna plug our RV in. And then we're gonna turn it back on again. And I like this plastic for rain or weatherproofing, and then this if you want to tie it off with a cable, protection and safety so it doesn't walk away. It's ready to use once you see the energy, watt, volt, and amp in the display. If the RV surge protector display screen shows a red prompt, something must be wrong. The surge board can be bought from the factory when it's broken. There's no need to replace the entire unit. I really like this surge protector and I think you will too. Thanks for watching.